जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 25th श्लोका. Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Arjuna, "Oh Arjuna, to fight with you Bhishma and Drona and so many Kauravas right present over there, right in front of you. Come on, look at all of them." Like this, Krishna Paramatma asking Arjuna to see the entire army. With having this meaning running in our thoughts and visualizing that we are sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and Krishna Paramatma giving Gitopadesham to us directly, with that kind of thought process, let us now chant the sloka. Bhishma Drona प्रमुखतः सर्वेषाञ्च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति. Om. The moral from this sloka, which we have to be practicing: even though you think that you know something, yet you try to listen the same thing from elderly people. That definitely gives you huge benefit. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma, from 18th chapter, 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna says, "Make sure I am there in every of your thought. Keep inculcating love and devotion towards me. Start transforming all of your actions as service to me, and start saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu for every of your accomplishment. And always keep thinking that you are my belonging, and surrender to me unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha." Read at least one sloka from Bhagavad Gita every day. Start passing down, spreading down this Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees and to your next generations. If you do all this, I will definitely liberate you from all kind of sins, sorrows, pains, and you will become my most beloved devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, even though I think that I do know this, I will definitely try to listen the same thing from elderly people. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall make sure that you are there in my every of my thought. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep inculcating love and devotion towards you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall start dedicating all of my actions to you and start performing all my actions as service to you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall read at least one sloka from Gita every day. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading Bhagavad Gita to the devotees and to my next generations. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam anupeta mapeta krutyam द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi, while addressing all Saunaka and other Maharshis, said that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Maharshi learned Srimad Bhagavatam. Then all Maharshis asking a question, O Suta, you said Sukha Maharshi is always in Atma Dhyanam, Paramatma Dhyanam. How did Sukha Maharshi liked Bhagavatam? What was the special in Bhagavatam so that it could captivate Sri Sukha Maharshi's mind also? Those are the questions asked by Saunaka and other rishis, for which Suta Maharshi again responding back saying that Bhagavatam is something that which improves, which increases all the devotion and eagerness, Shraddha that you have towards Paramatma. Those who have no mundane desires, those who have no cravings towards any mundane things, those who are always in Atma Dhyanam, Paramatma Dhyanam, Atmaramascha Munayo. Not only that, those who have already liberated from the clutches of birth and death, Nirgrandhaha, every one of them also will be liking to listen to Paramatma's great attributes, qualities. Every one of them also will be interested in listening to Paramatma's divine miraculous activities. Every one of them will be interested in serving Paramatma. That is why all of those categorized great enlightened people also will be liking to listen to Srimad Bhagavatam. O Maharshis, that is why when Sukha Maharshi heard Bhagavatam, he liked it very much, and then Adhyagat Mahat Akhyanam, he mastered Srimad Bhagavatam. He was so much into Srimad Bhagavatam. Like this, Suta Maharshi explaining to Saunakas, and then he is saying that, O Saunaka and other rishis, now I am going to tell you about Krishna Paramatma and Parikshin Maharaju. He is the one root cause for all of us to get this Bhagavatam. So I will tell you all about Parikshin Maharaju's birth and how he got liberated. What did he do to listen to Srimad Bhagavatam? That story also I am going to tell you. I will also tell you about story about Pandavas. You all please pay attention to me. Like that, Suta Maharshi started narrating. O Maharshis, when Kauravas and Pandavas did war, battle, Kurukshetram is done, at the end, Duryodhana and Bhimasena was fighting each other. Bhimasena hit Duryodhana's thighs with his gada. With that, Duryodhana's legs were broke and he fell down. After seeing that, Dronacharya's son Aswathama, he has seen that, and in order to make Duryodhana happy, what Aswathama did, he went and cut the heads of Draupadi's 5 sons, those who are called as Upapandavas. They were sleeping. Aswathama cut their heads while they are sleeping and brought all those 5 heads and showed to Duryodhana, thinking that Duryodhana would feel happy. But Neither Duryodhana felt happy, nor any of them, any of one in the entire world. Entire world hated that disgusted activity. After that, Draupadi learned that her sons were killed by Aswathama. Draupadi started crying so much. At that time, Arjuna comes to Draupadi and says that, "Ho Draupadi, mad gandiva nirmukta bhikara banambula nedu, vani siramun khandinchine dettu, tachiramun trokki jalambuladu michatan, Sitam subimbananam." Ho Draupadi, don't cry. That is, Aswathama is very, has gone to lowest levels of that Brahmana. Now I am going to go and kill Aswathama and bring his head to you. What you need to do, you have to put your right leg on that head, and then you go ahead and you take shower. With that, you will be able to release from the grief that you are going through. Like that, Arjuna is doing pratigna, strong pratigna, saying that I will bring Aswathama's head. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu, Krishnam namasyamyaham, Krishnena amarasatravo vinihataha, Krishnaya tasmai namaha, Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam, Krishnasya dasosmyaham, Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam, He Krishna Samrakshamaam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 25th sloka. Bhishmadrona Pramukhataha Sarveshancha Mahikshitam Uvacha Partha Pasyaitan Samavetan Kuruniti. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.